Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl KnoKnoFuri, and I'm coming back to you with another video. If this is your first time here, welcome. Here we love all things makeup and all things random, so click the subscribe button down below as well as the bell to let you know whenever I upload a video. If this isn't your first time here, you already know the deal, sis. Welcome back, bitch. And today's video is going to be a special one, kind of highly requested. I've been putting this video off for a really long time because I didn't really know how I wanted my room set up, but now I feel like I have the perfect setup for whether I want to film on my iPhone, on my camera, or if I want sunlight, or if I want my studio lights. So I'm going to show y'all what my beauty room looks like. Now, note to you, it is still very underfurnished, but I really wanted to get this video out to you guys. I'm going to show you briefly as well my makeup collection. It is kind of messy because I actually just got done filming this look, but I'm going to take you around my beauty room and just show you guys what it looks like. So if you're interested in seeing what my filming setup, beauty room / makeup collection looks like, then just keep watching. So boom, this is me walking directly into my beauty room from the door opening. This right here is a closet. It is pretty messy at the moment. I have all my clothes, or majority of my clothes, in here hanging up. It's a mess, as you see. This is a very raw video. Just want to be 100% with you guys. Here is my lamp. My lamp has light changing bulbs. It goes from natural lighting to white lighting to, I believe this is daylight lighting. And then this light bulb is just regular natural lighting. I use the natural lighting depending on how I film or when I film. And I use this one, which is like yellow lighting for when I'm just trying to relax. And then white lighting is for when I'm filming with my DSLR. This is my little beanbag chair. I covered it up with like a sheet. It's kind of hood. I sit right here and edit sometimes as I watch TV. My TV looks way smaller than what it is. Here's my little desk area. This is my bear that my husband got me when he was in basic training. It has on the PT Air Force uniform. It's really cute. This is like a Japanese headband that he got for Christmas. I just put it on the bear. Here's one of my favorite candles. It's Bath & Body Works Cinnamon Spiced Vanilla. It's my printer. These are the headphones I use to record my voiceovers. They're actually broken right now. The mic doesn't work. I have to go exchange them for their warranty. But I believe these were only like 60 bucks. You guys, these are really good. It gives you like HD quality when you're doing your voiceovers. Usually my laptop will be like right here when I'm editing, but it's not there. It's over there by my vanity station. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is my little TV. It has a Fire Stick connected to it. I'm currently binge watching Fear Factor because Fear Factor, I cannot talk. Fear Factor is the shit. This is my Canon T5. I'm actually borrowing this from a friend. I was testing it out to see if I wanted to purchase it, but I actually don't like it. So I will be giving it back to her. These are my two lenses that actually go to my regular camera, my Canon 60D. This is the kit lens, the 18-55mm lens. It zooms in and out pretty well. And then this is the lens that I usually film on. It is the Nifty 50. It is the 50mm lens, and it's cropped. It gives you that nice blurred effect. This is my filming station, as well as this is my camera. This is my Canon 60D without a lens. This is the mic that I use. I need to get a new mic because it is broken. This is the Canon 60D. I'm not really going to go heavy into it unless you guys want me to. These are all my lights. I have two softbox lights. I have two mini softbox lights. And then I have a ring light. I'm going to bring you guys in front. So these are how the lights look in front. This is my little vanity area. I do sit on the floor right here. It is a mess. Like I said, this is raw, uncut. I'm giving you guys the truth. All these stains are from makeup that's makeup on the pillow. Like, this is my ass pillow. I'm gonna go show you guys in detail what my vanity includes. At the very top, these are like my most used foundations and concealers. We have the Makeup Revolution foundation, Too Faced foundation, Maybelline Superstay Bare Minerals, my Too Faced concealer. The first drawer is my primer drawer. I have a ton of primers in here, as you can see. Let me try and close that. Bitch. This is the second drawer. These are all my concealers as well as my eyelid primers. We got the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in here. The Sephora concealer that I have been loving at the moment, the Bright Future. And then I have like a ton more in there. Shit. This is the glitter slash primer slash pigment drawer. I have like a ton of glitters in here. NYX glitter. I have MAC pigments. I have more glitter. I have an eyeliner in here that doesn't belong in here. And yeah, this is just like my glitter drawer. Then you have like my miscellaneous drawer. These are like little mini palettes. This isn't supposed to be in here. This is blush. This is a contour palette by Sleek. This is just miscellaneous eyeshadows. I rarely reach for this drawer. These are all, I'm sorry y'all, this is a mess. These are my single shadow drawer. All these are single shadows. These are ColourPop, Ulta shadows. I have a Sephora shadow. I have Wet n Wild, more Ulta. I have some MAC shadows in there. Ooh, I forgot all about this highlight. This is Champagne Pop. I need to put this in my highlighter drawer. But yeah, these are my single shadows. This drawer here is my eyeliner slash mascara slash eyebrow drawer. I have all my favorite mascaras and eyeliners in here. My eyebrow gels are in here. I have quite a bunch, so yeah. Great Lash is literally one of my most favorite mascaras ever. I have my Blistex. I can't go without my Blistex. It's like one of my most favorite used products. These are my white balance cards. These are very important to me because they help me with the white balance on my camera as well as my iPhone. You literally hold it up to the camera, focus it, and change the balance on your camera, or you focus it on your iPhone and it'll make you appear less ashy. I've really been having that issue with my Instagram videos. I've been looking hella ashy on my iPhone, and these help a bunch. So yeah, I got these off Amazon for like, what, $5. These are my setting sprays. I have the Mario Badescu and the Too Faced Hangover Spray. This is my mirror. That's me. On my table, I have my wireless mouse, which I cannot go without. My clicker for my iPhone for when I take pictures. I have some Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I really like that a lot. I have the Fenty Hydrating Foundation, which is a staple, a cut crease brush. I just did a look, you guys, so that's why it's kind of messy up here. I have the NYX Wonder Pencil, which I love. I have that in my waterline right now. Brown lip liner. I have my clicker for my camera. This is for when I take pictures on my camera. I have my dirty Real Techniques sponge. I have a Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. I just used this palette to create this look I have on right now. Looks like that. That's a Bedazzle Tools brush, an e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. This is my contouring brush that I use to contour, a lighter, because for candles, not for smoking, kids, not in the beauty room. I have a comb. These are my brushes. They need to be washed desperately. This is my tripod. I use this for my iPhone as well as my camera. I absolutely love this tripod. I got it off Amazon. I will link it in the description box below. Over here is where I store the majority of my makeup, my palettes. These are all highlight and contouring products, except for that right there. That's an eyeshadow palette. These are where I have my setting powders and my blushes. That's a random Kat Von D foundation in the corner. This is like my throwaway, not throwaway box, like my go-to box. These are like all my staples. Like you guys know, I live for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palettes. This is like my favorite highlighter ever. I have all my favorite new lipsticks in here, my favorite contour palettes. I have a random ass inhaler because I can't breathe at times because I have asthma. Dirty sponges that I need to clean, Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, Smashbox primer. I have my exfoliating lips scrub in here. Like, it's just a bunch of staples that I like. And here is my lipstick / lip gloss drawer. I rarely use any of these lipsticks. I'm really simple when it comes to like lipstick, lip gloss. I really love a nude lip. But yeah, I really use these. I use these maybe like in the fall time. Up here are some more palettes that I don't really use. That's why they're up here. I don't really reach for them. And then in this drawer is stuff that I don't really reach for at all. I just leave it up there just because. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions of anything that I may have left out, please leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, stay furious. Gang gang.